Little bird come sit upon my windowsill, sat there through the falling rain. I watched that little bird upon my windowsill, saw my thoughts of you go by again. Picture of my face reflected on that pane. Is it tears or is it rain? I remember how we talked before we said goodbye, too young to know the world outside our door. We laughed and said that love was free like birds that fly the winds. A rainy day made me think of you once more. Picture of my face reflected on that pane. Is it tears or is it rain? No regrets about the past, see how young we were. The world was love and life was but a thought. Many things go many ways and many time but once. Your life's past and your love is but a thought. Pictures of my face reflected on that pane. Is that tears or is that rain? As my thoughts go tumbling back, I wonder how you loved. Wonder if you've seen that little bird. I wonder if he sat upon your windowsill. Wonder if you'll ever hear these words. Picture of my face reflected on that pane. Is that tears or is it rain? Pictures of my face reflected on that pane. Is that tears or is it rain?